Alright guys, let's take a quick look at another Sunday of bulking. This is an average bulk day. That's a half pound of ground beef, fiber bread, sun chips, banana, fiber 1 bar, Greek yogurt concoction, and if you're not familiar with those, check out my cooking vlog. There are the macros for the half pound of ground beef. It's 90-10. There's the macros on that bread. Sun chips, and I'm going to add all this up at the end for you, but if you want to pause on any of these and get a better idea of what's in there, that's the Greek yogurt concoction. Again, check my cooking vlog if you're not familiar with those. And there's the banana. I had 3 of these beers, and I'm actually having one right now, but I couldn't find good macros on it, just the calories, so I don't know about carbs and alcohol there. Also had 100 grams of popcorn, and I ate it all. There are the macros on the popcorn for you. And then for my last meal, I had a serving and a half of chili, 2 pieces of cornbread. Again, I do intermittent fasting, so I ate all this in 6 hours. That's the chili, that's the cornbread, and then I was still a little short on protein, so I mixed that up right there. 1 scoop, 1 serving of PB2, cup of milk, there are the macros on it. Add it all up, that's what it comes out to. And of course, I ate it all. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I got max effort bench press, so my new subscribers, you get to see what I'm about this week. All max effort work.